Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Silverado LTZ Crew Cab 4-wheel drive, stock number X240A. Only 11,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, Cajun red in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Silverado is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility. And power sliding windows for extra ventilation. Soft tonneau cover. Z71 off-road suspension package includes skid plates for protection, locking tailgate, backup camera, along with rear parking sensors, and trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate, bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position, integrated trailer brake control, and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Advanced safety features like forward collision alert, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, navigation, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated as well as ventilated front seats. Power adjustable pedals, great for shorter drivers. All the power outlets you'll need, along with wireless cell phone charging. No more cords hanging in the way. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and sliding rear window control. Under the hood, the Silverado has a 5.3-liter V8, 355 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 20 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.